Guys, you won't believe this. MEXC just launched a $1 million Solana campaign. You get zero fees, crazy staking APRs, and giveaways like iPhones. So let's talk about it. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's go for it. Alright, guys. MEXC landing page. The link will be in the video description. Sign up now to claim your 5 USDT. It's Solana Eco Month. Share in that $1 million worth of rewards. Well, this is really huge. Now, just to let you know, MEXC is quickly becoming the go-to exchange for traders who want more than just a platform. It's a place where users actually get rewarded, and they're known for a lot of things, guys. First of all, they're famous for zero-fee trading, zero withdrawal fees, and they're always running generous promotions. Now, MEXC makes it easy for anyone to start trading and earning without the usual barriers. So right now, MEXC is celebrating Solana Eco Month from 21st July to 20th August. So you all still got plenty of time. Now, with over $1 million in rewards up for grabs, this includes spot and futures trading competitions. You also get staking bonuses, lucky draws, and exclusive giveaways, all focused on the Solana ecosystem. So there's no complicated sign-up process or hidden requirements. Just trade or stake, then you can join in this campaign already. But guys, that's not all. MEXC is offering 0% fees on all Solana-related spot and futures pairs, including MEW, Bonk, and Pump tokens. And guys, there's also no withdrawal fees, which makes it one of the most cost-efficient exchanges in the market right now. So you really must go and check this out, guys. And guys, believe it or not, I'm still not done yet. Additional perks also include lucky draws where you stand a chance to win an iPhone 16, Solana tokens, and USDT tokens. They're also running the Solana Spinfest with a $100,000 prize pool, plus access to MEXC Plus program with exclusive ecosystem benefits. So guys, I really recommend you head over to MEXC because they're always running campaigns that keep their traders and users super engaged. And guys, this is my go-to exchange for trading. Especially if you're into altcoins, they are really good for those too. So I would strongly suggest, of course, that you do your own research. Go check out their website and have a look. Okay, the link for this is in the description. Check their Twitter accounts. For updates, announcements, airdrops, giveaways about the project, you'll stay updated. If you're new to the channel, please click like and subscribe. Hit that bell to get notified when I upload videos. Bye. Peace.